So welcome all to Friday Activity Club. And first of all, we would like to invite Abhishek to come up on stage to bring his presentation, to bring forth his presentation. There's Abhishek.
Good morning.
Over to you.
Good morning, ma'am. Actually, I'm here for a different topic, and my topic is ICOD, the cricket obsessive disorder. Can you listen to me, ma'am?
Yes. Continue. The rest of you, please keep your microphone muted. Yes, start.
Yes. Uh, First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Ashok, and today I prepare for a speech, and the topic.
Yes, start.
If any country is having a cricket match anywhere in the world, then I just join it. Let me tell you guys, I have 6 or more than 6 apps which is already installed in my phone just for watching cricket. As we all know that there is a lot of craze for cricket in India. Whenever you go, whenever you go to any corner of India, you'll find that definitely find at least 10 cricket players from there. And let me tell you guys, those who are normal people have normal festival like Chhat, Dasara, uh, and anything like Chhat, Dasara, Diwali. But for cricket lovers, nothing is normal here. We have a different kind of festival like IPL, BPL, PSL, or etc. But guys, there is an advantage of watching cricket also. Those who are preparing for general competition like SSC, GD, or anything, I think they should watch cricket because SSC asks 2 to 5 number questions related to cricket every year. Well, cricket is very emotional too because whenever we talk about cricket, we always remember those legends who have done a lot for their country. Well, there are some many legends who uh, put their lives to made his or her country win the World Cup. And the truth is that there were some legends who put their lips on the make their country win the World Cup. As we all know that Yuvraj Singh is one of them. When he was playing for India in World Cup 2011, he had suffering from cancer and he was vomiting blood while batting in ground. But still, he did not give up and made India successfully win the World Cup. And he was the man of the tournament in the World Cup 2011. Right now, India is one of the best cricket team in every format. And why India is the best cricket team in the world? Because there is a long story behind this. But now I'm going to give you a free advice. If you are not watching cricket, then may you will you should start watching because you will learn how to manage the situation and the pressure, and you will also learn that never give up in your life. Thank you. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Very good, Abhishek.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, next.
Good morning, all of you. The Indian Navy Day. At the Senior Naval Officer Conference in May 1972, it was decided that Navy Day would be celebrated on 4th December to. Good morning, all of you. My topic is Indian Navy Day. At the Senior Naval Officer Conference in May 1972, it was decided that Navy Day will be celebrated on 4 December to commemorate the action of the India Navy during the 1971 India to Pakistan War, and Navy Week would be observed from 1 to 7 December. In 1674, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj led the foundation of the Maratha Empire in Western India. He is also known as the father of Indian Navy. Shivaji Maharaj demonstrated great skill in creating organization, which built a strong naval presence across the coast of Konkan and Goa to protect sea trade. Thank you, ma'am.
First of all, a lovely good morning to all of you. Myself, Kami, today am representing a speech on Indian Navy Day. As we all know, Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th December every year to recognize the achievements and roles of Indian Navy to our country. Indian Navy is the naval branch of Indian Armed Force and is led by President of India as Commander-in-Chief. And the Maratha Empire Chhatrapati Shivaji is considered as father of Indian Navy. The reason behind for celebrating Indian Navy Day on 4th December is during the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War was Navy Week would be observed from 1st December to 7th December. Various events take place during Navy Week with the finale on Navy Day. Like on this day, the warship and aircrafts of Indian Navy are open to visitors such as school children, like open swimming competition, Navy fly past, inter-school quiz competition happens. It is celebrated using a particular theme. Like next year in 2020, theme was Indian Navy combat, ready, credible and cohesive. At last, I salute to our Indian Navy for their dedication and protection, and happy Indian Navy Day to all of you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shivam, and today topic is the Indian Navy Day. The Indian Navy is a branch of the Indian Armed Force. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Navy. The Chief of Naval Staff commands the Navy, and he is four-star general. The main objective of the Navy is to safeguard the nation's maritime borders, to detect and defeat any threats, aggression against the territory. India celebrates Navy Day on 4th December every year to celebrate the achievement and role of the naval force of the country India. Indian Navy is the seventh best navy in the world and is one of the most important defense force of the country. On 4th December 1971, Operation Trident was launched by the Indian Navy in Pakistan. Operation Trident involved the first use of anti-ship missiles in combat in the region. The operation was conducted on the night of 4 to 5 December and inflicted heavy damage on Pakistani vessels. 4th December is celebrated every year to commemorate the courageous attack on the Karachi harbor by our Indian Navy force. All the martyrs of the same war are paid rewards on this day. Thank you.
Yes, next. Roll number 20. Roll number 20.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Suman Kumari and I am here to give speech on the topic Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is observed every year on the 4th of December after Operation Trident to celebrate the vital role played by the Navy force. This day got recognized as Navy Day after Operation Trident in 1971. This day is celebrated to commemorate the victory of Operation Trident. On this day, the contribution of Indian Navy is observed as a token of gratitude. On Navy Day, the nation also pays homage to the soldiers who laid their lives for the nation's safety. It is marked as a day of memorial for the martyrs and missile boats during the war. December 1st to December 7th is celebrated as Navy Week. The first Navy Day in India was celebrated on 21st of October 1944. After the Second World War, until 1972, Indian Navy Day was celebrated on 15th of December. Various contests like Navy Queen, Navy Ball, etc. take place on the special day. The Navy Day was 4 bases that are located at Vizag, Chennai, Kochi, and Mumbai. The journalist of the Irankulam organizes the military photo exhibition at the Naval Festival. Navy Day is celebrated with a specific theme every year. Thank you.
Yes, good. Next. Roll 51.
Good morning to one and all teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sonali Kumari. Today I am here to tell something about Indian Navy Day. Indian observes Navy Day on 4th December each year. The day is celebrated to highlight the greatest achievements of Indian Navy. The day got recognized after Operation Trident in 1971. Indian Navy is the marine branch of the Indian Armed Forces and the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Navy is the President of India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle, the Maratha Emperor of the 17th century, is considered as the father of Indian Navy. Our Navy play an important role in safeguarding the borders of the marine and develop the international relationship between other countries. The celebration for the day begin a week before the actual date. On this day, the national aircrafts are kept on display for public viewing. Naval Force Ball and Navy Queen are the part of this celebration. We all know that how important an army is for any nation and for India. As half of the part of India is covered by ocean, the Navy is really important for us. It plays a significant role. I would say that we all are just incomplete without them. Indian Navy has 67,252 personnel active and 55,000 reserve personnel, 300 ships and approximately 300 aircrafts. Indian Navy is also among one of the strongest and most powerful Navy in the world, Indian Navy. It is such a brand name for us. Our Navy is also increasing its capability in attack and defense system. I say that how much I speak no matter, my words are not enough to describe there. At last, I would like to say that I am proud of my nation and my naval officers. My grand salute to the brave, heroic, and bold Navy. Thank you, ma'am.
Roll number 73. Camera should be on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdul Qadir Ashraf of BCAQ Semester 1, and I am giving a speech on Navy Day. December 4 is celebrated as Navy Day. The day celebrates the strength and bravery of the Navy men who brought victory to the country in 1971 Indo-Pak War. On December 3, 1971, the attack by Pakistan on India's airfields along the border areas led to the Second War between India and Pakistan. Operation Trident, the lethal attack by the Indian Navy, sank 4 Pakistan vessels and completely destroyed fuel fields in the Karachi harbor. 500 Pakistani Navy men were killed in the attack. INS Nipat, INS Nilghat, and INS Veer were involved in the attack. The 90 minutes long operation began on December 4, 1971, around 2 p.m. The fleet of Indian Navy sailed towards Pakistan waters. Our men reached 70 miles south of Karachi when the Indian Navy fleet realized that an enemy vessel was closing in. The assault lasted for more than an hour and India fired total style. Not only the Indian Navy fleet sank 4 Pakistani vessels, but also returned without the loss of a single man. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next. Roll number 38.
Sorry. Hello and good morning to everyone. I'm here to present my views on Indian Navy Day. That is, we are celebrating today on 4th. So, Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th December annually to recall the accomplishment and role of our naval forces. Navy Day is December 1971 during Indo-Pak War in 1971 by the Indian Navy. Tremendous bravery shown in the our oceans. The Indian Navy is headed by the Indian President as Commander-in-Chief, and the Indian Navy has a very important role in safeguarding Indian marine borders. Indian Navy also has a vital role in improving the international affairs through seaport cooperatives, exercises, public-spirited missions, disaster relief, and many more. The current Indian Navy has experienced speedy restoration in order to expand and advance its presence in the Indian Ocean region. Our Navy does a tremendous job to protect our country. The motto of our Indian Navy is Shah no Varuna, means may the Lord of water be auspicious unto us. Thank you.
Yes, good. Roll number. Start.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will be speaking about Indian Navy Day. Away from the grounds and in the middle of the sea, in the depth of ocean, they are always for us. The brave warriors in the white suit, they are always for us. With patriotism, I remember our brave marine daredevils who excellently fought against Pakistan in the year of 1971. Yes, I am talking about Operation Trident, in which India targeted Karachi headquarters of Pakistan Navy in the attack made by Indian Navy. It was so tremendous that Karachi headquarters was completely destroyed, and in the Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels. And thus, in result, we celebrate Indian Navy every year on 4th of December to commemorate their strength and bravery of Indian Navy. This day is also remembered as the victory of our Indian Navy, as we all know that how important the army is for any nation, and for India, as half of the part of India is covered by ocean, the Navy is really important for us. It plays a significant role. I would say that we all are just incomplete without them. I'm proud of my nation, my Navy, and the naval officers. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that we can sleep peacefully unless and until our strong Navy officers are there on the coastline to protect us. My grand salute to the brave, heroic, and bold Indian Navy. Thank you.
Very good, Shivani. Yes, next. Wait, roll number. Start.
Every year, Indians celebrate 4th December as Navy Day, a commemoration of nation's freedom. A key offensive between the 1974 you know about what happened during operation? The India-Pakistan War of 1971 had begun on December 3, when the Pakistan Air Force launched preemptive strikes on airfields in Western India. India responded by formally declaring war in the peak hours of December 4th. On December 4th, under Operation Kirit, the Indian Navy sank 3 vessels near the Pakistani port city of Karachi. The stars of the mission were the then recently acquired Soviet missile ports. On December 5, the Indian Navy's Western Sea Vice Admiral S.N. Kohli received the code word Angai, which means success in Operation Trident. The Navy Day is celebrated to remember and recognize the courageous attack on the Karachi border during the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War on 4 December. During this day, the warships and aircraft of the Indian Navy are accessible to the visitors. The military photo exhibition is organized by the journalists of the Aaron Club in the Naval Festival. Modern day Indian Navy has transformed in order to improve the pollution of the Indian Navy to the Indian Ocean area. The Indian Navy has approximately 16,000 employees and around 295 naval arsenals. It is considered the most powerful force in South Asia. Finally, I would like to say, we are a big nation stepping from the sea to land, and with a navy that is so strong. Thank you.
Now, what you all are doing is you're reading out something which you have prepared. Do you think this is called a speech class? Something you have, when I told you, you come here and make a speech over here without any content in your hand. This kind of reading will not help you. This helped you in your bridge class. But the bridge class is over, done and dusted, no? Now anybody is there who would like to come and make a speech over here, proper speech? I do not want any reading out from any content. No one. Yes, on the boys' side. Yes, you come here. Start your speech. Some of which you remember, no? Whatever you remember. When you're writing down things in your mind, no, I've written down something. So whatever you've written, because your body language is very important. And when you're reading it from this your body language means you are not even connected to the audience. You're connected to your content. There is no eye contact. There is no body language. Reading was okay in the bridge class, but not now. Whatever you have to say, you come here and say.
I will try.
Yeah, okay. Say right now.
Indian Navy Day, roll number 63, ma'am. It's my friend's phone. Soldiers don't go to war because they hate the enemy in the front. They go to war because they love the countryman in the back. With such lines, which are true for sure, I am Seturaj here on Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th of December every year. This day holds special significance for Indian Navy. Let's go back in the past. Today, December 3rd in 1971, exact 18,263 days before, the attack by Pakistan on Indian airfield along border led to second war between India and Pakistan, with involvement of INS Nipat, INS Nirgat and INS Veer. Operation Trident was undergone, in which Indian Navy retorted Pakistan Navy with a lethal blow. 4 Pakistani vessels completely destroyed fuel fields in Karachi Harbour. 500 Pakistani Navy men were killed in the attack. This 90-minute long operation began on 4th of December 1970. Not only Indian Navy fleet sank 4 Pakistani vessels, but also returned without a single loss of man. With no casualties, this operation is one of most successful in modern naval history. In case you are wondering what are INS Nirgat and they were Vidut class missile boats. All commanding officers were awarded with Veer Chakra. I salute all the front lines and end my speech with Captain Vikram Batra's quote, that is, या तो तिरंगा लहरेगा, लहरा कर आऊंगा, या तो तिरंगे में लिपट कर आऊंगा, लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर. Such is devotion of our hero. We must see who the real hero is. Hero on the screen or on the front line. Thank you.
Now, whatever you have spoken, I think you must be remembering something of what you.
I was remembering actually if I go there and in between I stop, it will ruin my speech. So that's what.
But then you have to.
Yes, ma'am, it is necessary to connect.
You have to take a risk. अच्छा अभी हम recording नहीं कर रहे हैं. I'm not recording. All right. And now we are having an activity group jam, and the topic is Army Day.
Navy Day.
Navy Day. Yeah.
Navy Day is celebrated on 4th of December.
Navy Day. So Navy Day is celebrated on 4th of December. Will you be all wondering why it is celebrated on 4th of December?
We all know this day is celebrated on 4th December due to after the Indo-Pakistan war, we as in Navy contributed their 100% for achieving their objectives.
All Navy forces protect our marine borders and many areas of marines.
It was about the victory made by our Indian soldiers against the Pakistan borders of Karachi. They destroyed the 4 tanks, and
Indian Navy is a real hero for India.
We all know, we all are familiar with armies, but there is also Indian Navy which fought for us within the oceans.
This day is celebrated like a festival in our India. This day is about 1 week, like 1st December to 7th December. In these days, there are many events take place. Like we all, like in Indian schools, students and many can participated in these events like quiz competition, swimming competition, and many more.
In these festivals, in public places are celebrated by naval ball forces, and so many groups are joined to celebrate this festival.
it is all about our Indians. It is all about that we pay homage and respect to our Indian soldiers as they have made this a memorable day for us.
Indian Navy is very armed forces. They save the India and
we all youngsters see heroes on the screen and respect them, but the real heroes are on front line. We must respect them.
Also, the real hero by which we can say that the father of Indian Navy is our Imperial Maratha Imperial Chhatrapati Shivaji Samrat Maharaj.
All Indian forces who sacrifices our dreams for our protection of India.
Above the ground or within the sea, they are always for us as they protect us, and we are peacefully living with our family because they are on the borders fighting for us.
Yes, very good. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.